And our colleague Shanta, she's also joining us on the broadcast from Ayodhya. She's also managed to get us that response from Iqbal Ansari. And I think Shanta Shri, what he says is extremely balanced. Because he says कि आखिरकार आपको कोर्ट की ही सुननी पड़ेगी. But he does realize that people are losing patience as we are looking at, a lot of strong reactions coming in both from the VHP, also from the Sangh for the moment. But is there some bit of relief that things have started to move? On the 10th of January, we'll have more clarity, Shanta Shri, on the case now?
Supreme Court is yet to decide that which of the bench which will be constituting of the judges who will be deciding over this matter and whether the day-to-day hearing will take place from January 10th onwards or not. So these are the pertinent questions being asked by the right-wing body, that why so much of delay is taking place, and that's why they had lost their faith and they had started that entire momentum of bringing in ordinance and pressurizing the government, going to each and every BJP MP's house and presenting them the memorandum that ordinance should be brought about. So definitely this can be seen from the past 1 year, a kind of delay in the Supreme Court is taking place, and that's why the losing of patience has been taking place. I am going to bring in over here Satyendra Das, who is the chief priest of Ramlalla. Remember, when Allahabad High Court had given the decision of dividing the land in 3 ways, it was given to Ramlalla, Nirmohi Akhada and also the Muslim petitioners. One of the main chief priests of Ramlalla is Satyendra Das over here. Sir, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि इस पूरे मामले पे कि डिले होता जा रहा है सुप्रीम कोर्ट बार-बार, क्या कहना
ये बताइए? एक मिनट रुक जाइए, एक छोड़ करिए.
Okay, so Satyendra Das over here is going to speak to us in a while from now, and definitely as we see that Muslim petitioners had spoken to us in the morning, where he continuously had been saying that it's the Supreme Court who is going to take the final decision, and on the other hand VHP and Hindu Mahasabha had been expressing their disappointment over this entire delay and saying that at the end of the day ordinance should be brought about so that justice can prevail and solution to the Ram Mandir can take place. Satyendra Das जी, आपसे हम पहली बार भी मिल चुके हैं, तब भी आप बोल रहे थे कि ऑर्डिनेंस का रास्ता अपनाना चाहिए, लेकिन अब आज देखा जा रहा है कि 10 जनवरी को सुप्रीम कोर्ट फाइनली इस पूरे मामले पे डिसीजन लेंगे. क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज के मामले पे?
देखिए, जिस प्रकार से पहले सरकार